Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of filters not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve filters not showing, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click here in this page. As you see, you will enter to Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.